What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram, and we are in Ocean City, Maryland for Endless Summer Cruisin 2024. I'm not going to go through the whole spiel, you should all know it by now, but today's video I filmed entirely at the Inlet. I'll spin around, you can see all the cars. It's late in the afternoon, so everybody's heading to dinner. There's the Ferris wheel behind me. Alright, today's giveaway in this video is going to be another Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing. We gave away a baseball cap yesterday, and on the first video we gave away a Bangin Gears shop clock. In order to be eligible to win any of the prizes, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in the running. So once you're subscribed, make sure you go back and like and comment on all the other videos, and it puts you in the running to win all the swag. So because I'm giving away a hat today, on Sunday morning's video, I'll be giving away another Bangin Gears shop clock. So make sure you check out that video on the way home. It was a beautiful day. We did I hit the parade on the boardwalk this morning, froze my ass off a little bit. We did Dry 85 show, and like I said, today we're at the Inlet. And this is where I filmed. Beautiful day, great weather. I'll let you go. I got work to do. I got to do some editing. All right, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow on Bangin Gears Garage.